In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Steam gift card balance. Before we dive in, here's the key thing to understand. Steam does not provide any way to check a gift card's balance before you redeem it. Once you redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, its value is instantly added to your Steam wallet. So when people talk about checking a Steam gift card balance, what you're really doing is checking your Steam wallet balance after redemption. Let's walk through how to view that balance on a PC. First, open the Steam application. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign into your account. Take a moment to make sure you're using the correct account where you expect the funds to appear. Your wallet is tied to a specific account, so being on the right one matters. Next, go to your account and choose Redeem Wallet Code. Even if you're not redeeming anything right now, this page is useful because it shows your current Steam wallet balance. You'll usually see it displayed near the top of the page along with your currency. This lets you confirm at a glance how much is available for purchases like games, downloadable content, and in-game items. If you'd like to see your balance in the context of your account settings, click See My Account Details. This takes you to the Account Details page where your wallet balance is listed prominently alongside your region and currency. It's the same number you saw on the Redeem page, just presented with additional account information. This is a good place to return to anytime you want to double check your balance before making a purchase. Remember, because Steam doesn't disclose unredeemed gift card balances, the only time you'll see money show up is after a successful redemption. If you've redeemed a code, the new amount should reflect immediately in your Steam wallet balance. If you don't see a change, make sure you're signed into the correct account and refresh the page. To recap the flow, open Steam, sign in, head to your account, and select Redeem Wallet Code to view your Steam wallet balance. And if you prefer, click See My Account Details to check the same balance in your account overview. That's all there is to it. With these quick checks, you'll always know exactly how much you have available to spend on Steam.